Okay, so I can't plug in A, or if I do plug in A, what's going to happen is if I plug in A here, it's going to be A minus A, and then if I plug in here, it's square root of A minus square root of A, so you get 0 over 0, right? So if that case, what I'm going to have to do, since this is, I have to do something else. So since I see square roots, anytime you see square roots, binomial square roots, the first thing you want to really try is to see if I can use what's called the conjugate. The conjugate is the same thing, just with a different sign in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate. So really what happens is these are just difference of squares on top. Okay, so you can multiply using a multiplication box if you want to. So x times x, square root of x times the square root of x is just x. Square root times square root is negative square root a, or xa, or ax. This will be the same thing, just positive. And then a times a is negative a. Well, these guys go away. So all you're left with is square root of, or sorry, x minus a. And on bottom, I'm not going to multiply. I'm actually just going to leave it without multiplying. The reason is because these guys cancel out. So really what you're left with is the limit as x approaches a of 1 over square root of x plus the square root of a. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to plug in a now. So I get 1 over square root of a plus the square root of a. Combine like terms, and you get, which is letter A.